Hey, welcome back to the Too Fast channel. In today's unboxing video, we're going to be taking a look at a storage tray that's designed for the Volkswagen Mark 5 Mark 6 platform. Now, this is not a factory Volkswagen part. I bought this particular one off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. It's also available off of AliExpress, so I'm assuming it's made in China somewhere. The one that I bought off of Amazon says it's for Mark 6, but I've seen the exact same product on AliExpress stating it fits the Mark 5 and the Mark 6. So we'll find out. So it shows up in this brown box and it's wrapped in some black plastic, which I already took off. And go ahead and take this out. Now, this storage tray is designed to fit into your center console storage area. And what this does is it gives you the storage, since the center console storage is deep, you still have the storage underneath, but you also have storage on top for things like coins, pens, and other small items. And this is an item that you just kind of drop it into place and you take it out when you need to access the larger area of your storage compartment. Now, the thing is, with this is only going to fit center console storage areas that have nothing in them. So if you have a 6-disc changer in there, the factory changer, or if you have the factory mounting assembly for an iPod, this isn't going to fit. Basically, your whole top part of your storage area has to be open. And I'll show you that because we're gonna go and install this in my 2008 Volkswagen EOS right when we're done here. So yeah, let's see. It says driver gear designed by VOC, whatever that is, Volkswagen of China. They've got a Volkswagen logo. I don't know if that's legit or not because I've never seen this item before. But anyway, this is hard plastic, aside from that logo. Inside, you've got some rubberized little inserts that you can pull out. There's a little tab here, and you can pull on the tab, and you can take this out. In case you have something in there that drips liquid or something, maybe some lip gloss or lip balm or something that melts, you can take it out and clean it, so that's nice. Not unlike the drink trays that are in our cars. So you've got one here and you got one there, and that's pretty much it. And you've got the storage right there for some coins, and yeah, that's about it. So this you can get this off of AliExpress for around $6 or so, give or take. I paid like $10 off of Amazon, mainly because I could get it in a couple of days instead of waiting weeks to have it shipped from China. So went ahead and got it off of Amazon. It could cost about $10. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. I'll go mobile now with the camera, and we'll head into the car and we'll see how it fits. Okay, so we're inside my 2008 Volkswagen EOS, and you can see what I was talking about with the this center console armrest tray here. It needs to be completely open. And this will just drop right in. Now, the back of this here fits pretty flush, but it doesn't fit completely flush. There's a bit of a lip up here going all the way around. Now, that's not going to really interfere with you using your armrest, but it is something that is noticeable. Let's see if we can get an idea. You can see how it kind of sticks up. And that's due to several reasons. It's the way the coin tray is designed and the aux jack back there. Now, what I've done is I'm actually not using the aux jack. I've got a aftermarket sound system, and I use Apple CarPlay. And I've taken apart the back of this console because you need to take the back part of it off, the part that has the drink holder, to remove this aux jack. And I'm going to do that in a minute. I've already got it all taken apart. I just wanted to show you how the tray fits with the aux jack in place. So one more time, you can kind of see the lip right there. And it could be that, maybe the Mark 6 has got a little bit of a different design, so this fits more flush on the Mark 6, hard to say. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and remove the aux jack, and then we'll take a look at the fitment with the aux jack removed. Okay, so you have to remove the back part of this console to get this aux jack out, because it has these little clips that snap into place, and you got to push on them to remove it. You can't really remove it from the inside. You'll probably end up breaking something. So with that removed, let's go ahead and test fitment and see how it fits. It does appear to fit a little bit better, and there's not as much gap. A little bit of a gap still, probably due to the coin tray, but in my situation, because this fits better, I'm going to leave the aux jack uninstalled. The wiring harness is back there. If I need to put this plug back in, I can put it back in, but because it has a lip on it right there, maybe an 1/8 of an inch lip, it does create fitment issues with this particular tray. So it does definitely fit better without the aux jack in place, so I'm going to leave that uninstalled. For you guys, if you're interested in removing that yourselves, I've already got mine removed. If I squeeze back into the rear area here, this is the part, if you wanted to do this, this is the part that you would need to remove. And inside of here where the drink holder is, there's 2 screws here, and you need a T20 Torx bit to remove the 2 screws. And when you remove those 2 screws, you can kind of lift up on this and kind of lift up on it and pull it away. You'll have to unplug the 12-volt outlet, which is right here. That's what this plug is for. You'll have to unplug that. And then you can reach in here. Where is it? I barely see it. You can reach in into this area right here, and you can squeeze those 2 little metal clips. You can squeeze those 2 little metal clips, and you can unplug this and then push the jack out through the front. Only takes a few minutes to pop this part off if you decide to go that route. And it does allow the tray to fit better in the center console. So anyway, that's my findings with this particular tray. I'm definitely going to keep it and use it and enjoy it. And I think it was a good buy for $10 off of Amazon. And that's going to wrap up this video review. And I'll catch you guys up in the next one.